Planning a cruise? Whether you're setting sail through the Mediterranean, exploring the Norwegian fjords, or chasing Caribbean sunshine, the right luggage can make all the difference. Let's talk cruise planning, packing tips, and the Tripp travel essentials that will keep you stylish at sea. Start by picking the right cruise for your style. Shorter itineraries are perfect for first-timers. Longer voyages give you time to truly relax every morning in a new place, be it the Mediterranean, Caribbean, Norwegian fjords, or even the British Isles. When it's time to book, timing matters. By securing your trip 6 to 12 months in advance, not only can you find the best cabin choices and early bird perks, but also the widest selection. Here are a few smart booking tips. Use trusted ABTA travel agents for added protection and expert guidance. Compare cruise lines, as some specialise in luxury whilst others are more family-friendly. Consider departure ports. For ease, many UK travellers prefer cruises leaving from Southampton. Packing for a cruise means preparing for sea days, shore excursions, and formal evenings. So you'll need to bring casual wear, evening outfits, comfortable shoes, swimwear, sunglasses, and sun cream, along with any of your favourite travel essentials. Tripp cases give you plenty of space for all your packing. And if you choose from the same collection, cases can nest neatly inside one another for easy storage in your cabin. Use your cabin case or travel bag for the items you'll want on day one: swimwear, sun cream, medication, and a change of clothes. That way you can start enjoying the pool before your luggage arrives at your cabin. For excursions, pack a flight bag or holdall for easy access to essentials like your passports, camera, and water bottles. A vanity case is a great choice for keeping toiletries organised or essentials close to hand, plus it matches your suitcase for a coordinated look. Most cruise lines provide luggage labels, but it's always best to add your own luggage tag too. It helps your bags get to your cabin quickly. Plus, pair it with a luggage strap to really make them easy to spot among hundreds of other suitcases. With smooth wheels, secure locks, and stylish designs, Tripp Luggage is built for effortless travel, from your front door to your cruise cabin. Wherever you're sailing, pack smart, travel in style, and make the most of every moment with Tripp.